October 17th, 2017. Well, we have frost predicted in the next few nights. They did actually just change the forecast late this afternoon that we might not get frost, but I'm just going through and harvesting out some of these pepper plants, basically just cutting the whole plant out and throwing them in the wagon here, and I'll sort them over by the greenhouse later, all off the plants. There's not much growing season left, so I don't think we're going to lose much by doing that. But I wanted to share a few things about plants and roots and soils and that sort of stuff. I just wanted to show the size of some of these stems that were at the base of some of these plants. They were quite large and with quite robust root structures. Now these have all been under a foliar feed program for the entire season, from seed on. Actually, no, not these hot cherry peppers. These actually came from the greenhouse. But since they came from the greenhouse, they've been in foliar feeds, obviously mulch, good irrigation, all that sort of care. And they've grown quite large. And I guess I will just show you what a root ball looks like off them. And you could actually take this root ball and stick it in soil and give it some love and the right nutrition, and you could actually grow this out inside. And I may actually take this one because it's a pretty nice root ball. I already took one inside, but I may take a second one. Anyway, so I just want to point out the size of some of these stems. There was one here that was a real monster. Here it is. This guy here was massive, and I just wanted to share the size of that. That's a good solid inch in diameter there, and you can see the size of those roots coming out even under the soil were quite large. So these were quite healthy, happy plants. I also wanted to show how plants in contact with the soil will start to root up, and I really just wanted to show a close-up of what it looks like when they do. So you can see all those little white sort of bumps on there. Those are all little spots where there's enough moisture up against that plant and soil to trigger root growth. And so this plant was getting ready to sprout even more roots out of here and build this into part of its base stem. So nothing super exciting here. I just kind of wanted to share what truly healthy plants and soils can do, and share this beautiful weather and these beautiful peppers. For those of you who aren't familiar with these are called hot cherry peppers. They've got a delicious sort of a fruity flavor with a real hot spicy to them. Sort of like jalapeno, but a different heat than jalapeno, I would say. Anyway, if you haven't tried them, you should. My friend Aaron turned me on to these. Anyway, thanks to my subscribers and viewers. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please do so down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to like or subscribe. And thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.